Welcome to another YouTube video. Dealer fees. $3,995 for dealer fees? Well, I was working a deal yesterday and this is what I got from a dealer. They were saying that dealer fees range from $1,500 to $3,995. You see the text here. He had mentioned the dealer fees and I questioned and said, wait, are you saying that dealer fees are $1,500 to $3,995? As you can see here in chat, Honda was asking for $5,995 for fee. What dealer was this? He mentioned a dealer. So we're going to call a dealer and confirm this fee. Do you guys think that $5,995 for dealer fee is something accurate? I mean, a car costs $6,000. How is that even possible, right, to even get that type of fee? So let's go ahead and give them a call and find out what their dealer fees are. So let's go ahead and give them a call and let's go ahead and see if this is true.
Brookfield, press 2 for parts.
$3,900. We also recording. Must be busy today. Let's go to live chat.
Recorded response.
Hi, you're recording this call as well as I am as well. Question: what is the dealer fees for your dealer? Okay, they're not open. Okay, and you guys don't have that information. Okay, well, thank you so much. Nope. I'll call back tomorrow. You too, bye. All right, so they don't know, they're close, but let's see if chat. Maybe somebody else in chat, maybe the same person. Hello, what is your dealer fees? Or doc fees, right? Let's just go with that. Okay, let's just take a look at a car. Maybe it shows up, right? Let's, I don't know, pick a car. Pick a CRV. I'll pick the first one. See if we have any dealer fees showing up here. Not much. Topic is dealer fees. I've paid $150 all the way to $999. It's really hard to get a discount on dealer fees. You could try. There's different states that there's no cap, right? They could charge whatever they want, so they could put whatever number. I don't think that a number like $5,995 is correct, right? While we wait for the person to come back, I'll give some tips. Thinking about used car, but I'm actually working 2 deals right now, Ford and a Subaru, different states. When you're looking at used cars, you want to make sure you check the VIN. You want to make sure that you look through the actual Carfax report to make sure there's no issues. You want to also, when you're talking to the dealer, they're going to try to grab you to come inside. And why? They could then use their tactics through text and through phone calls. It's much easier for you. First of all, you don't have to go and drive 50,000 dealers. You could just, work on 2 or 3 dealers at a time. Most of the stuff is through text. You save a lot of time and money doing this. If a dealer doesn't want to work with you online, move to the next one, right? There's no reason not to. Okay, let's see. They got back to us. They'll let us know. So it looks like they're closed. How can you charge $5,995 for dealer fees? That's very interesting. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below and let us know how much you paid for dealer fees. Stay tuned to another video.